Is this your design on the refrigerator?
Yep.
Let me see it.
Come look at it.
Wow, you did that.
Yep.
You really did do that. Good job, Booby.
Thank you.
Ah.
I just learned my mind.
You did what?
I learned my mind.
You learned in your mind?
Yeah.
Because you're smart.
Okay, put ice in my bowl.
Put what?
Ice.
Now your noodles are ready. You want them?
I'm gonna you put ice.
You like noodles?
Yeah, but you didn't put ice in it.
I don't need no ice in it.
How's it gonna cool down? How's it gonna cool down, Daddy?
It's already cooled down.
How did it cool down?
Already cooled it down for you.
Do you put the sauce in it?
Yep.
Why can't I do it? Give me some drink.
I got you. I'll get you some.
Then turn some milk. Aha! Okay, it's still hot.
Huh?
It's still hot.
It is.
Yeah. See it hot?
You just gonna eat right here.
Yeah.
What does a pampas cat do?
Just turned all the way up this morning.
Does a pampas cat live in the snow or in the grasslands?
The grassland. Yeah.
Well, buddy, you want to say anything before we get off the camera?
Grasslands.
I know you're eating.
Pampas cats stay safe by
Oh,
hiding
yes.
in the
What
grass.
What's that?
I love to
What
eat.
big does a
What?
pampas
I
cat
love to
fluff
eat.
up
You do?
or scratch
Is that
its
what you
head?
want to tell everybody? I know you do. I appreciate it. Well, I love you.
Fluffs up to scare away animals.
We'll talk to you soon, okay?
Does a pampas
Another day in the life of Mrs. Fabulous Tony Ware.
Yeah.
That's right, ain't it?
Yeah.
Tell them how old you are.
It has whiskers.
That's right. That's right. It's Daddy's baby. I love you, buddy.
Finish the puzzle. To help the pampas cat, did Diego take her kittens